Alright guys, we got something special for you guys on this one. 2012 Ram 1500 4x4 lifted HEMI. What we got done on it for you guys, I think you can see. True duals. We love true duals. There's the stock converters there and there. You usually wires into a single here and they go single all the way back, then back dual. We cut it off and true dualed it all the way back. Look at them beautiful welds into his existing tailpipes there and there. Then we left the resonators on because he doesn't want it obnoxiously loud, but it will be because it's true dualed. There's the two resonators and then 3-inch tips or 3.5-inch tips. He's gonna come back, we're gonna put 6-inch tips on it and take those resonators off. That's the next step. But for now, that's how you true dual them. Let us know what you guys think. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. Let us know what you guys think in the comments and hit that like and subscribe button, please. Thank you. What do you think? Louder? There's sound decibels, go ahead. Yeah, you need them, dude. Take those resonators off, it'll raise it up another probably 20-30%. Still sounds good though. Yeah, especially with that bumper, it needs to be out the sides. You're right. I hate to be the one that hits that. Damn. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram. Sounds good. Let us know what you guys think. Hit that like button.